Are you going to speak in public very soon? Are you feeling worried that you might forget things that you need to say as a public speaker? You are watching MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna. Here are some simple public speaking tips. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to MC Bali channel. Important things to prepare when you got the assignment to give a speech. There are several information that you need to gather once you confirm to become a public speaker or you are confirmed to give a speech. First, know who you are representing. This is important because you are speaking on behalf of an organization or a company. You need to know the character or the DNA of that company or the organization. Second, you need to know the allocated time. How long is your speech time? How long you are required to speak in front of the public? Number three, you need to know whether you are required or you have the privilege to show a video or to show a PowerPoint, because that makes a big difference on how you are designing your speech, how you want to portray your message to the audience. And then that comes to the next question. Who is the audience? By knowing exactly who the audience are, you can perfectly design your speech that will be suitable to the audience. The next question is about objective. What is the purpose of your speech? Do you need to entertain the group? Do you need to be informative to the audience? Do you need to persuade the audience to make a certain decision once you deliver the speech? The objective of your speech makes so much difference in designing the content of your speech, because you need to know exactly what kind of message that you need to deliver. The next question is what message that you must deliver to the audience. This will be related to the theme or the objective of your speech. If you have the tendency to forget things that you would like to say as a speaker, it means you need to write down the message so you won't forget the important message that you will deliver to the audience. So once you gather all that information, like who you are representing, who the audience are, what is the message or the purpose of your speech, what kind of method of delivery that you will do as the speaker, then you need to prepare the overall speech. And then you can structure it so you can practice the way you deliver your speech. Remember the structure of your speech. Always start with greetings and then acknowledge if there are any VIPs or any special persons in the audience. And then also acknowledge the audience, acknowledge the purpose of your speech, and then elaborate the message that you are going to deliver to the audience. Elaborate all the special or important message, important points of your speech. And then finally, say thanks or appreciate the audience and appreciate the committee who have invited you to be the speaker. If you have the tendency to forget things that you are saying, you need to have a cheat sheet. You need to hold a piece of paper or your phone so you can deliver all your important message and you won't miss anything. So that's all. Simple tips to prepare your speech. Put your questions in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to MC Bali channel. I'm Nirmala Trisna. Thank you very much. See you next time.